Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before starting the lesson, it will be nice if we pray first. Pray at the start. Pray finish. Here I will present the material that has been taught Mrs. Annie. Enjoy the watching. Introduction. Hello, on this occasion, allow me to make introduction to I. My name is Septiari I'm the second of two children. I was born in Magetan, September 7, 2002. Currently, I live in Mahat Sunan Ampel Al-Ali in Gajayana Street, Malang, East Java. Speaking of hobby, my hobby is watching movie and listening to music. I'm a student at the State Islamic University Maulana Malik Ibrahim in Malang, from chemistry class A with NIM 2106031100036. The first, environmental issues in various countries. We as young chemists must really understand these environmental problems because chemical screens are quite high contribution to pollution in the environment. Climate change. Climate change is a change in the pattern and intensity of climate elements, both globally and regionally over a long period of time. Climate change includes drastic change in temperature, rainfall, wind patterns, and various other events. Climate change is evidence of environmental damage. The impact of climate change is the absence of rainy season and a dry season. Motor vehicle fumes. Humans have high consumptive attitude. There are no restrictions on the purchase of motorized vehicles. With the increase in the number of motorized vehicles, the smoke products will also increase. The smoke released by motorized vehicles accumulate in the upper atmosphere so that the smoke becomes very thick, which interferes with vision and also threatens the existence of global warming. Global warming is not a trivial matter. According to the kinetic law, rate of one reaction is affected by temperature. So, when the temperature of one Earth rises, the entire reaction rate will also increase. The impact of global warming: 1. Melting of the polars around the world, which causes the polar bear to lose its place of residence. 2. Premature aging. The appearance of black spot and wrinkles in adolescent children. Premature aging can be prevented by consuming lots of raw plants that have high antioxidants. The earth is in a state of environmental threat. We must return to nature to delay premature aging. Nuclear power is an alternative energy that has great potential to replace fossil fuels. Nuclear power is an alternative fuel that can be used to generate electricity and improve the environment. Nuclear energy can continuously generate electricity for decades or even up to 60 years. Japan hosts the use of nuclear material or power if it is for high benefit because it is very energy efficient compared to others. Nuclear can suppress environmental pollution, but when a leak occurs, it will be a big problem. China is rising as one of the emerging powers with advanced economic strength. However, China's economic rise has serious negative consequences for the environment. China seems to reach turning point on environmental problem, which is often a consequence for many industrialized countries. The gradation in quality and quantity of environmental happen in almost entire China. China is considered to rule the world for its product in any part of the world. In China, it is reported that it has a very large environmental crisis. A large industry is one of the causes. Atmosphere and air pollution. The atmosphere consists of four different layers in terms of the temperature and air pressure due to the difference in absorption of solar energy layers that are important for humans and are susceptible to change in troposphere. Stratosphere, the protective layer of the Earth. This is a molecular layers of ozone with molecular oxygen interaction with lighting and ultraviolet light. This layer blocks 99% of the sun's ultraviolet radiation so that it doesn't reach the Earth's surface. Troposphere, layer where we live. The air in the troposphere is clean and dry, containing nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. Burning carpet has a large loss. When burning carpet from the solid phase is converted into a mobile phase that can move, which can cause air pollution. Air pollution, inhaled by humans, can give health problems that are quite serious. Severe damage will cause a global warming, will change the weather, will change the climate, and will also change the ecosystem. Air pollution is caused by solid and liquid particles and certain gases that are suspended in the air. These particles and gases can come from car and truck exhaust, factors, dust, pollen, moss, spore, volcanoes, and wildfires. The solid and liquid particles suspended in our air are called aerosol. Environmental damage due to air pollution, greenhouse or global warming effect. The use of fossil fuels by humans produces large amount of CO2 gas. CO2 gas cannot be directly recycled in the carbon cycle, so it accumulates and forms a layer in the stratosphere. Under natural conditions, solar energy is absorbed by the Earth and will be radiance and heat leaving the Earth. But most of the heat is not absorbed by the CO2 layers in the stratosphere, so that only some of the Earth's heat can escape into Earth's space. People in this space are like living in a very hot greenhouse or roof. An increase in the Earth's temperature is expected to affect climate patterns, sea level, melting of polar iceberg, human health, agriculture, the life and distribution of animal and plants, and so on. Ozone layer depletion. The ozone layer absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun and protects the earth from it. Man-made CRC, refrigerator, and air conditioner reach the stratosphere and break the molecular bond of ozone. Without the ozone layer, more UV radiation penetrates to the Earth's surface. The impact of increasing UV that reaches the Earth. 1. Impact human health. 2. Reducing agriculture and forestry area. 3. Increase the conversion of compound into smoke pollution in the troposphere. 4. Degrading man-made materials. 5. Damage the structure and function of natural ecosystem. Acid rain. NOx from motor vehicle and SO2 from industrial combustion are released into the air. These gases rise in the air to help the acid compound H2SO4, SNO2, and HNO3 that collect in the clouds. After being carried by the wind for hundreds of kilometers, the cloud content will fall to the earth in the form of rain or snow with deposition. Rainwater is acidic. After its rain, plants experience yellow spot and corrosion of building material has an acid pH in the rain. Air pollution in the house. For example, by cigarette smokes, carbon monoxide from cars and motorbikes, ammonia from household cleaners, paradichlorobenzene from air fresheners, and compound nitrogen oxides from gas stove, compound in wall paint, furniture, carpet, and others that can cause various diseases ranging from minor ones such as irritation, headaches, even to cancer. Cancer village in China. The existence of cancer villages proves China direct cards for environmental protection. The cancer villages are large areas that are so polluted that even living in them can cause several types of cancer. In Sangba, a cancer village, a city in southern Guangdong province, the river that flows through Tongcheng from white to a set of orange because of varying types of industrial effluents. Many of the rivers contaminated like sodium and zinc are known to cause cancer. Issues in India. India has made one of the fastest progress in the world in addressing its environmental. Still, India has a long way to go to reach environmental quality similar to those enjoyed in developing economies. Pollution remains a major challenge and opportunity for India. All forms of pollution are land, water, and prominently found in India. Thank you for your attention and sorry if there are less and wrong. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment column below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because your like is very important and useful for me. I hope what I have explained from this video can be useful for all of us. Thank you very much. Happy watching, guys.